Oh, Dada, come on. Come on, give me some. Yeah. Spoiled. Ganyan yan sila kay spoiled.
Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy.
Smells good, ah. They bloody. It is bloody, honey. Look. Oh, okay.
Of course, monkey's the first one in line.
Because that's Misty knows the difference of cold cat and different food. He is so good with that, right, monkey?
What's your noise when the cat gets it and she's not getting it?
Honey? No. Honey, enough. Wash it with soap, huh? Wash it with soap. I'm gonna cook extra because clean it over there, huh? Because I cannot handle this thing. No. So there we go. Enough with that, can you please? Hi guys! Good afternoon! So ngayon, ang aking gagawin, ang aking agenda, hello! Ang agenda ko po is magluto po tayo. And this is gonna be Tommy's first time eating munggo with sutanghon lang.
Sutanghon what?
Sutanghon.
What's a sutanghon? Sutanghon.
Sutanghon. Hon.
Sutanghon.
And we are cooking also, guys. Alam nyo na si Tommy, nagbili siya ng ang daming chicken breast. This is chicken breast, right?
Yes.
Okay. 5 for the doggy. O, diba? Spoiled yun, guys. Our dogs are spoiled.
So, guys, magluto na tayo. Ito yung mga sangkap ko, onion, garlic, and ginger. At ito yung sutanghon na ilalagay natin sa ating gulay. At bumili din ako ng spinach. Wash na to siya. Malinis na. And yung sutanghon pala, nilagay natin sa tubig as alam na naman yun yan, di ba? May tomato din tayo. Ito na po yung karne natin. Bumili lang ako ng pork chops. Kinat ko lang siya. Habang nagluluto tayo ng chicken, nire-ready ko lang yung ating munggo. Yun, binuboil ko siya para luto, di ba? Ganyan naman tayo magluto ng munggo. And then, kinakaveran ko siya, guys, pero hindi totally cover. And yun, tapos na yung munggo. Tinatransfer ko lang siya para the same lang yung gamitan natin ng ating magisa ng sangkap. So, yun, the same lang siya. Hindi ko na siya hinugasan, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up po yun, di ba? So, ito, guys, ganito ako magluto. Nilagay ko na lahat doon sa ating kaldero, yung ating sangkap. Nilagay ko na lahat diretso. The same lang naman yan sila. Maluluto lang yan. Same. Isote lang natin siya sandali para hindi, kailangan nating i-mix, no? Para na, hindi naman sila masunog. And yun, finally, pagkatapos nyan, nilagay ko na yung ating tomato para naman, o, diba? Ang bango nyan, guys, dahil yun sa ginger, talaga, kakaiba talaga. Si Mr. nagutom, kumakain na siya. Yun, nilagay na natin yung ating karne, i-mix natin siya sandali, pabayaan, ganon. I-mix natin, and then nilagyan ko na din siya ng ating paminta, asin, and then mix. Ako mahilig talaga ako sa paminta. Gusto ko maraming paminta. Ang ginagawa ko dito, guys, is, di ba nagtubig siya, nilalagay ko siya, niluluto ko siya ng matagal hanggang mag-dry na siya. Kasi gusto kong lutong-luto talaga yung ating pork. Hanggang wala na siyang tubig. So, yun, parang siyang nababrown na siya dahil nga, ito mag-brown na siya dahil nga, you know, niluluto siya natin ng matagal. Which is yun yung gusto ko talaga. So, yun guys, sa tingin ko okay na yung ating pork. Ilagay na natin ang ating munggo. Pagkatapos niyan, i-mix lang natin ng i-mix kasi yun naman talaga yung pinaka-main ingredients natin dito, munggo at sutanghon, di ba? And then next is pork. Pork is magbigay ng lasa. Nilagyan ko siya ng tubig, 1.5 yung baso ko sa ako, kape. So, yun. Sana nilagyan ko ng marami, guys. Malalaman ninyo yan kung bakit mamaya, o, diba? So, yun. Nilagyan ko din pala siya ng fish sauce. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa fish sauce, pero tinatry ko siyang ilagyan. Ito pala yung pinakauna kong gawa ng ganito. Ang naalala ko noon sa Bukirin pa yung parents ko, pero ito yung first time kong ginawa ito with munggo with bago, munggo with sutanghon. So yun guys, yan. Nilalagay ko na yung sutanghon and then i-mix natin siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Yun siya, o diba? Hindi ko na malaya na yung sutanghon na parami pala. And then, later on, makikita ninyo nag-dried out. Yung sabaw po pala is kinain ng sutanghon. Oh, you're so cold. Oh my God. You're
still alive after the other day.
Hey, New Year, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's. It's with your wife. Because I'm ordering lechon in New Year, December 31. And I'm making another one extra pork for you, just in case.
Maganda pala sana ito kung may malunggay, pero nakalimutan kong bumili ng malunggay, guys. And yun, spinach is okay naman din, maganda naman din at healthy. And yun, maganda din sa mata pag migraine, diba? So, yun na yung look ng ating gulay. Dahan-dahan ng tumaba yung sutanghon at saka dahan-dahan na din kinuha yung sabaw hanggat talagang wala nang tinira sa akin. Yung sutanghon, kinain na lahat. Yung chicken, finish na.
Hi guys, kain tayo guys, munggo. And my husband, this is first time niya, but he will talk about it later after he eat because he's eating and he doesn't want to be disturbed. And he has his own pork too. And then you can add rice with it, hon. It's the best, hon.
I don't need rice. It's got noodles.
No, this is what we do. Oh, look at me. When we eat this, this is how we eat it. Okay, we get it in the bowl. We mix it with the rice. Look, like that. And then you can get sauce if you want, like that on top of the sauce, like that. Let me try without rice.
See, doesn't need rice.
I cook the pork longer, right? But some of them are not. It's still kind of tough. It's really good with rice. Oy, hon? Sabi pa ni Tami, it's not good with rice because with pasta. You know, it's a sotanghon thing. It's a white pasta. This is my first time. This is my first time, guys, making this. So yun, ito yung pinakauna talaga. But anyway, so I make like munggo, right? Sometimes, right? But it's a different recipe because that's what my husband like. You add bok choy, string beans, ginger, and this, and then sometimes spinach or horseradish. How do you call this? Horseradish leaves is like, but the malunggay, guys. And he like it. Be careful with some of the pork because some of them have bone. Masarap man siya, guys. Nagustuhan niya, guys. Grabe. Kung makita ninyo siya. Pero ayaw niyang magpakita. Nagustuhan niya. Iwan ko. It's good with rice, hon. Ay. Okay, honey. So, do you like it? Do you want more?
Very good. But no, you give me this too.
So, gusto pala niya. Which one you prefer? This one or the other one? Munggo with coconut milk.
Oh. They're both really good, so. I'll see if these kids ate.
Hala, oy. Gustong-gusto daw niya yung dalawa. Tapos niya, Anyway, so this is it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I guess my husband liked this kind of pasta thing and mungo. And also, you can add different kind of shrimp instead of this.
I'm sure. Shrimp, beef.
Dried fish. Sardines.
That's the way to run it.
Anyway, guys, so that's it. Thank you, guys, for watching. Bye, guys. See you guys later. Say bye-bye, love.
Hi, guys.